has gone, when people's lives are shattered and they've lost the will to go on, we reach out to the helpless, and with each passing day, we help them to rebuild their lives. This is the Red Cross way. On to the future, committed and proud, inspired by our noble history as we face the future now, alleviating human suffering and uplifting human dignity. Let every volunteer know our mission everywhere. The Red Cross then and tomorrow, always fast, always ready, always we are one and we stand together long after a storm has gone. When the world no longer watches, we do what must be done. With selfless kindred spirits who quietly move on in a quest to spread compassion. With all our hearts we sing a song. On to the future, committed and proud, inspired by our noble history as we face the future now, alleviating human suffering and uplifting human dignity. Let every volunteer know our mission everywhere. The Red Cross then and tomorrow, always first, always ready, always there. The Red Cross then and tomorrow, always first, always ready,
So our
always
first namaste to our ICRC colleagues and friends in Fiji, and especially to Nima, who will be leaving us soon. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for the work that we have done together during your tenure in the Pacific. We have been happy and we have been very much pleased to have you with us. We hope that in your future endeavor you will continue to shine as a young and enthusiastic ICRC delegate. Soon, in the next few weeks, we will be having Alfred with us here in Samoa, and it's a good timing, when we will be missing Nima and Alfred will be coming around. So we are pleased that we still have our ICRC colleagues and friends with us. We would like to thank you for the support and the assistance that you have given us in so many years past, as well as the beginning of this year. And we look forward to all the good things happening in the near future. So we wish you good luck and all the best for your next assignment. We hope to cross paths again somewhere, not only in Asia Pacific, in Europe or wherever, during one of these international conferences of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Society. All the best to you, Nima.
on to the future, committed and proud, inspired by our pity.